Sour Lake coming at you from Yellowstone.
Yellowstone National Park.
Yellowstone National Sour Pot.
Lake.
Black Dragon's Cauldron. Let's see what it's about. 10 to 20 foot bursts of molten mud. Oh, it's going. Churning cauldron. Broiling or boiling. 170 degrees. Oh, it stinks like sulfur.
Crikey, mate, we got a fucking shit pile of six here.
I didn't think you could swear on the video.
Oh, crikey, mate, my bad.
It's like a beautiful scenery
Crikey, mate, that's a warm creek we got here.
as it rolls down the mountain to the sulfur abyss.
It joins all its sulfur freeze at the bottom.
It's the mud geyser, which everything flows down to. A once and future geyser. There's mud volcano. Careful, 200 freaking degrees, boil your skin right off. Stinky. Another mud volcano. Spewing hydrogen sulfide gas rising from Yellowstone's magma chambers, causing the rotten egg smell. We're about to witness the Dragon Mouth Spring. Frequent waves caused by the dragon's mane. Never know what's in there.